In this video, I'll show you how to track calls from your Google Business Profile in 2026. Monitoring phone calls helps you understand how many customers are contacting your business directly from Google Search and Google Maps. First, sign in to your Google account and open your Google Business Profile. Select your business if you manage more than one location. From your dashboard, click **Performance* to view your business analytics. Scroll to the *calls* section, where you'll find information about customer phone calls made through your business profile. Here you can see the total number of calls, the days customers called most often, and the times when your business receives the highest call volume. This data helps you understand customer behavior and determine the best hours to answer calls or schedule staff. Keep in mind that call reporting may not be available in every country or for every business category. If you don't see call data, make sure your business phone number is added correctly and check whether the feature is supported for your profile. Review your call performance regularly to measure customer engagement and improve your local marketing strategy. That's how to track calls from Google Business Profile in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Google Business Profile guides. Thanks for watching.